Orders arrived. Shopee haul. So I have a few orders.
Oh, that's...
Mia,
Yeah?
come here. Ikaw, you like to sneak around my anak. Come here. So, anong...
Weird.
No! Today is February 2 and Mia's celebrating her 10th birthday in 3 days. Can you believe?
Does she know na?
Na?
Mia, does she know na?
Na ano?
Mia.
Do I know na what?
Mia knew na that you were gonna give her the sword.
Okay, this is my gift to Mia. Happy birthday. How did you know? How did you know? Kasi actually, New Year pa lang, or is it December? Gusto to iregalo niya na kay Mia, kaso ni-return ng sender. And, so I reordered it again, but I did not tell them. You wanna open it? Do you wanna unbox it? I'll help you.
I checked a 13. It's a February 13. So, mom's next order is February 13. And like,
Wait, since when did you know?
when I was getting my yarn, the pink,
You saw it.
I'm like,
Why were you playing like, Mama, should I order the sword? Why were
yeah, I
you...
want to test you.
Open na natin. Grrrr.
Yo, what? Yo, what the what?
Yo!
Wait, yo! Bro, it looks like from anime.
Papi, look.
Whoa, yo, what the what? It looks like from anime. Good thing I watched many animes.
This is the sword.
Yeah. I will play with it muna. Happy birthday. Where's my hug and kiss? Happy birthday. I love you. Welcome.
No, no,
Kita-click na.
no, it's not how you
Paano?
I don't know.
Wait, it should have... Mia said... It's like this. Oh my. Oh, it's like that. Oh, so... Darna! It's a charger, oh.
Oh yeah, that's why it lights up.
Yeah, okay.
What's this?
Oh, that's the research space. I know that's the one that opens the sword. This one looks
Good
like-
morning! Hi, Simba!
This one has the pouch. So it's like that.
Ouch.
Not mom. Perfect.
126 grams.
Hello, people.
I learned it from Nick Mama, the one that have 30 million subscribers.
Giovanni.
Yung may ratatouille.
Yeah, I learned. He's one of his.
Good morning, vlog! Alam nyo bang, may power outage today? Hello, love.
Hi, power outage.
12 hours. Nag-start ang 5 a.m.
I woke up at 3:30.
You were able to charge your sword?
Yeah.
Kailangan pala laging pa yun. Kaya pala
Kailangan na ng motivation.
5 a.m. hanggang 6 p.m. yung outage today. Pero, so dito lang tayo sa house.
It's cool.
Ha?
It's cool.
Yeah, buti na lang it's cold today. So, yun yung magiging vlog natin today. Power outage inside
Pagkain na may
the house.
kita. Pero sige, okay na.
My time. Maganda yung chicken breast ni Papa kasi per slab. Parang saktong 100 grams na. Let's see. Ikaw ba nagkakat nito, P?
Si Kuya,
Ayan, nasa around 100 lang.
109. Pinapa-butterfly ko na.
Okay, our brown out tradition. We're dessert. Iyan, pakita ka sa screen. Yan. So, nag-promise kasi kami na hindi na kami masyadong nagja-junk food. Pero ngayon kasi, brown out. Pwede, joke. Si Papa bumili siya ng ice for the day. Siyempre, nagpasabay na din kami ng snack. Oreo kay ate. Butter coconut sa amin nila. And then, I have my lactation coffee.
And then
And sa kanila, dinadunk nila sa milk. Anong milk nyo?
Arya.
Arla po.
Arya at the pizzas.
Thank you, love, for the snacks.
Thanks, Pop.
So, ayan.
Remember, Mama, I tried it with tuna. It's super good.
Yeah. We thought it will not work now.
Mm-hmm.
May bata nagre-reklamo. Tinapat ko sa electric fan na yun. Hindi na siya naiyak-iyak. Ano gusto? Nagnap muna si ate at si papa. Si isang ate nag-aaral na. Ano to? Dito lang tayo sa fan. Gustuhan mo dito sa fan. Mainit. Itong fan, nakakabit siya sa EcoFlow. Yan yung power station. Tuwing brown out, we use electric. Yung ginagamit namin yung power station para sa internet and electric fan. Okay, we're now preparing for my client meeting. Quiet tayo kasi si Bibi baka umiyak. So, dahil brown out, meron tayong fan with power bank. Tapos, ipa-power bank din yung lamp dito. Tapos, meron din akong pa-light dito sa likod.
meeting namin. Tapos na meeting ni Mama. Ayaw na magpalapag, sabi ni Papa. Sakit na likod ng Papa. Ba't ayaw mo magpalapag? Ay, tama ba yan? Masyado. Ay, iiyak pa yun. Tignan mo yun. Huwag iiyak, huwag iiyak. Bakit yan iiyak? Eh, nandito na ang mama. Gutom ka na? I love you. Sige na. Sige na. Kain ka na. Aray. Maglampin-lampin muna kami. Kasi mainit. Cloth diaper. Oh, B.
Ano ba yan?
Jollibee. Tapos, magto-tummy time. Oh. Ayos ba yung kapit niya? Siguro sabi nila kasi, at 4 months postpartum daw, mag-hair loss. Ito siguro yun yung dahilan ng hair loss. Pa, ito yung dahilan ng hair loss. What up, Doc? What up, Doc? Yan. Bitaw na, anak. Bitaw. Ay, kailangan alcohol ito. Opo, ito na, ito na. Tummy time, ha?
Huwag yan mag-rest. Mag-tummy time yan. Mag-exercise.
Aray. Bitaw. Maya! Tingin kay Mama. Dito si Mama. Maya! Hello! Maya! Maya! Si Papa ang sunod na kargador. Kakarga na daw siya. Wow. Can you see that baby girl? Hi.
Let me fix her.
We're gonna play cards. Okay, come on. Play tayo cards with ate.
With Ates. I thought I needed to fill this up. Pala,
Hello.
just baliktad.
Hello. Ta. Magkano. Mama. You quiero. Is it okay I include you in the vlog? So we're done. This game is called Piles.
Not advertised.
Chada. What do you call that? Can I see up close? It's like a sunset to me. But, you know, look at the details.
You know what is this called again? Zig something. Zentangos.
Si Mia naman nag-art siya sa ref. Oy! Ang haba naman ng burp niyan. Ang galing. Yes, she did.
Oh my god.
Narinig niya ba yung verb niya? Lagkit na kami. Lagkit na. We're gonna go out. Oh, that's so zoomed. 2 hours na lang. And matatapos na ang brown out. Wow. Alam nyo, sobrang timely nung pagdating ng 10 na to. Dahil today ay brown out. So, may bago kaming hobby. Let's show. Coffee time. We are walking. Magti-10K steps kami today. Magdi-dinner na din kami. Dahil painit na ng painit sa house. Wala pa rin kuryente. But it's already
5:39. So, in 21 minutes, hopefully, kasi minsan mas late mga 1 hour late, yung restoration ng light. Here's our bebe! And, ayan, golden hour na. Sunset today is 5:55. It's already 5:39. So, 16 minutes. Happy! Halo-halo. Ayan ang ates. Where's the ates? There. Mga jutoms. Baby, Woo! Bida Saya!
Ano
Jollibee! Ba! Alam ko naman ganun yung laki. Iba yung ano.
There's a new Starbucks menu sa February 1.
Saan?
Let's check.
Starbucks.
Sure.
Jollibee mo ba? Baby, pag napasok ko ng gravy, pasok siya. Sorry na lang.
Okay, kuha na ka. Ayun. Walang kainin mo. Ayun. Haluin natin ba? Ayun.
Kumakain kami yung chicken breast.
Hindi. Meron sa kanilang higit.
But well, you're good naman in. Thank you.
Umaangkong kay mama, wala nang...
Get yours, get yours.
We're here in Starbucks for some dessert. So,
God, they're there.
meron silang bago. Ang tawag, kombucha. I think kombucha. Kombucha ba to pa na fruit flavor? Ang sarap. Meron lang daw 0.000 something na alcohol or wine. Sarap.
Your eyes going.
Three taste no?
That's all.
Look at my take back. Just 11. Just a few.
Mia didn't.
Hmm?
Mia didn't do it.
Tapos, ang aming main drink is matcha. Tinataka lang dito ni Papa. Show our cake, my love.
Ate,
Meron pa ba? Wala na issue-show na cake?
Can you describe what's that? Parang cheesecake.
it's a mango cheesecake. In the middle, there's some cream. On top, there's cream. It's really yummy. I highly recommend.
Yeah, highly recommend. I think it's new. No pa? Or kaya may mga pastries kasi sila na season. Naglalaro si Papa at ang mga ate. Si Baby nagpipil.
Careful, there's one on the right. Ate!
They're playing Brawl Stars.
One more win, then let's harvest, or you want to
Continue.
yeah, up to you. Continue? Up to 6 wins? Okay. Hide. Careful.
Bigla ko inatake ng Hantok. We are now playing piles. Let's show the box.
I put them into 4.
Yes, start na. Nandito kami sa Crocs.
Bumili ako ng bagong sandals. Ang ganda oh, para siyang Birkin. Pinagraduate na namin yung luma kong sandals. You like my new sandals? Yes. You can make that. How much is it per piece? Do you know?
It's quite expensive, diba, for one? Have you been crocheting recently?
Wait. So I can, pwede ko siya lagyan ng G-bits. Ayan. Sample design.